If you own a Focus RS, a good quality catch can system is a great way to protect your investment. The catch can is going to stop oil vapors from re-entering the intake system through the PCV, which can damage the engine over time, especially in a turbocharged direct injected engine like the Focus RS. So today we're going to install a catch can system from UPR products. This Billet Pro Series catch can from UPR is going to fit your 2016 through 2018 Focus RS. Now, unlike some other kits on the market, this will require no permanent modifications and no cutting for installation. It features factory fittings, a billet catch can, and high-quality Continental lines with a one-way check valve. This will require removal of the intake for installation, but it's pretty straightforward, so let's get started. For this installation, a 1/2-inch ratchet, 18mm socket, 1/4-inch ratchet, 6-inch extension, 10mm socket, 7mm small ratcheting wrench, flathead screwdriver, and a lighter. The installation is all done in the engine bay. There's no reason to get underneath the car whatsoever. So the first thing we're going to do is pop off the intake cover, simply lift up and pull. All right, so the intake manifold is right here. Basically, this has to come off because our connections are made underneath it where the cylinder head is. So you're gonna take this line here, just pop off all these clips. Go down here, disconnect the map sensor. Pop this connector off down here to remove the vacuum line. Okay, there's 5 intake bolts. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 over here. The manifold loose now. We're gonna get down in here, loosen up the coupler to the throttle body. And now I'm gonna pull up on this. I'm gonna carefully pop this plug off. Just kind of shimmy it. Get it out of the way. And do the same thing over on the other side. Okay, and I gotta pull the coupler off the throttle body. Now you can actually see down here, vacuum line we connected earlier. Pop both of these clips off the side. Push the white tab in to remove it. Now I'm going to squeeze right here on both sides of this PCV to remove it. Pull the red tab and unplug the throttle body plug. All right, now we can actually access the PCV valve itself. Now to get it off this car, there's a little retaining ring. Basically what you're gonna do is kind of pop it up with a screwdriver, get the edges up, and then you can remove the PCV valve. All right, at this point we have to disassemble the factory PCV line because we need the valve and the fitting for our UPR catch can. Now to get these apart, we're gonna heat these fittings up. Now before I do that though, take note, you can actually see oil already in this valve. This is oil that's going back through the intake that our catch can will get rid of. Again, you can see the amount of oil on our PCV valve, all going back through the intake. And keep this line if you ever want to go back to stock. Now we're going to fish the hoses down to connect to the PCV. We're going to start with the one without the check valve. That one goes to the PCV itself. Basically come back behind the throttle body here. Connect to the PCV valve, make sure you push it all the way on. Now the same thing with the check valve line. Now, Connect the hose to the fitting for the intake. This is the clean side, so this gets the check valve. Then reinstall the intake manifold. Connect that and work the intake down into place. Make sure the throttle body coupler gets lined up. All the harnesses go back on and reinstall. Okay, now that everything's connected, reinstall the intake bolts. Then tighten these down, starting on the inside, working your way out. Now the catch can is going to mount over here on the passenger side. What we're going to do is pop this wiring harness off. Just basically move this inboard just like that out of the way. And remove this nut off the vibration damper. You're gonna kind of fish this over here where it's gonna go. This is gonna go just like that. Before we put it in though, we're gonna connect the lines and make it a little bit easier. And we connect both our lines. Fish these over the intake. Tighten the thumb screws a little bit. We'll reinstall this nut and make our final adjustments. Reinstall your intake cover and your installation's finished. Our UPR Pro Series catch can is going to provide some cheap insurance against the engine of this RS having damage going forward. Now, as far as the installation goes, it is tight quarters. Like I said, you do have to remove the intake manifold, but it really isn't as bad as it sounds. Now, UPR says this is a 10 to 15 minute installation, which it's definitely going to be more than that, but I say give yourself about an hour to an hour and a half and be back on the road in no time.